Decoding long telomeres. Surprising revelations on DNA, endcaps and aging.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that challenges some common beliefs about aging and longevity. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest scientific explorations. Now, let's jump right into it. Our journey today begins with a recent article that caught our attention. Long telomeres, the end caps on DNA, not the fountain of youth once thought. Intriguing, right? The article talks about a study conducted by Johns Hopkins Medicine, and you can find the link to the article in the description below. But wait, there's more. We're not just summarizing the article, we've also got our hands on the actual research paper titled Familial Clonal Hematopoiesis in a Long Telomere Syndrome. You can find the link to the full paper in the description as well.
DNA model.
Now, let's break down the key findings from the study and the article. What are telomeres? First off, what are telomeres? They're like the protective caps at the ends of our DNA strands. Imagine them as the little plastic tips at the end of your shoelaces, preventing them from unraveling. Now, traditionally, longer telomeres have been associated with better cellular health and even the fountain of youth. But hold on, things might not be that simple. According to the Johns Hopkins study, it turns out that longer telomeres may not be the superheroes we once thought. In fact, people with ultra-lengthy telomeres may face some unexpected challenges. The researchers studied 17 people from 5 families, all with mutations in a gene called POT1, which is linked to telomeres. Shockingly, they found that those with longer telomeres tended to develop various tumors and a blood condition called clonal hematopoiesis. Cells with telomeres. So, the idea that long telomeres protect against aging? Well, that's getting a reality check. Instead, long telomeres seem to allow cells with mutations to stick around longer, potentially promoting the growth of tumors. Clonal hematopoiesis. Now, let's talk about clonal hematopoiesis. This condition, where mutations in blood cells give them a survival advantage, has been linked to various cancers. And here's the kicker. The study found that those with long telomeres had a higher risk of clonal hematopoiesis-related mutations. They even created phylogenetic trees to trace how these mutations evolved in blood cells over time. The results were surprising, showing a higher mutation burden in those with long telomeres. Genetic anticipation. One fascinating observation was genetic anticipation. Offspring of those with POT1 mutations developed cancer decades earlier than their parents. It's like a genetic legacy of long telomeres that might not be as advantageous as we once believed. Telomere shortening comparison. In the 2-year study, they also noticed that people with long telomeres experienced a slower rate of telomere shortening compared to those with normal telomere length. The study also highlighted some physiological effects. Despite the increased risk of tumors, 6 participants in their 70s exhibited signs of youthfulness, such as delayed hair graying. This paradoxical combination of aging-related conditions and youthful features adds an intriguing layer to the findings. So, there you have it, folks. Long telomeres may not be the secret to eternal youth. Instead, they could be playing a role in promoting certain health challenges. If you want to dive deeper into the details and references, check the links in the description for the article and the full research paper. Thanks for joining us on this scientific journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.